It was a great experience me to be part of El Pedro Grill. So one of the chefs that I consider and there they consider, it's an honor and it's a pleasure of mine to be part of the family of El Pedro Grill. And this morning, ladies and gentlemen, all of my friends, join me to celebrate the third anniversary of El Pedro Grill. And of course, because the pizza of El Pedro Grills is so really delicious and so very well known in the town of Taytay Rizal. We're going to give a credit to El Pedro Grills and of course to the owner, Ma'am Elizabeth Magno. We're going to make a very special pizza. Um, Not just like the same pizza as El Pedro's, but of course our very own. Congratulations to El Pedro Grills for the third anniversary and Ma'am Lizelle Magno, congratulations for another 1 year to add to the history of El Pedro Grills. And of course, Ma'am Lani, congratulations. And we promise that we're going to work so hard for El Pedro Grills para mas lalo pang makilala at umasenso ang El Pedro Grills. Our present, good morning to each and one of you, and welcome to Cooking ng Inama Show. And of course, this morning, allow me to introduce to you the specialty of El Pedro Grill, ang aming pong special pizza El Pedro Grill. Ayan, El Pedro Grill is celebrating for a third anniversary. Congratulations to all of the staff and crew, and of course to the owner itself, to the Magna family, congratulations, and sana this business grow more and more and more. Ayan. And of course, syempre this morning, we're going to make not just the same as the pizza of El Pedro, but we're going to make our very own flavor of our pizza. And na talaga naman po magugustuhan natin for you or maybe for dinner. Ayan. So, join me, samahan niyo po ako to make a very delicious pizza, and which is my very own pizza. And ang pizza pa natin mga kaibigan natin, it's a combination of Italian and Filipino style. Diba? Two country merged together to have a very delicious pizza. And syempre, dahil po pizza ang gagawin natin, we're going to have the same part na ating preparation para sa ating pizza. Kasi, it's not an easy thing to make, pero kung titinan nyo talaga napakadali sa semo. Pero we have three parts. Yung first part natin is to making crust. The second one is the sauce. And the third one is the topping. So, ipapakita ko na sa inyo ang mga ingredients. Ang tawag natin sa pizza natin, super supreme pizza. Talagang very super kasi talagang napaka-yummy. Okay, for the first part, we have the crust. Ang ating mga kailangan sa ating klase ay, of course, ang ating major sponsor for this morning, ang gold medal all-purpose flour. And we have a bowl of flour. We have 1 cup of tap water. We have 1 piece of egg, baking powder, extraordinary cooking oil. First, we have salt and sugar. Yan po mga kaibigan ang binubuo ng ating crust, ang ating ingredients para sa ating crust. And now, we're going to proceed now for the sauce. For the sauce, we have onion, bell pepper, and we have powdered black pepper, we have basil, we have salt and sugar, then we have oregano leaves chopped, and of course, tomato sauce and tomato paste. Yan. This portion is brought to you by Del Monte Tomato Sauce, Tomato Paste, and Gold Medal, and of course, RC Cola. Then we have North Seasoning. Okay, yan po yung ating mixture for the sauce. Ayan. Kilalanin naman natin ang ating mga toppings para sa ating Super Supreme Pizza. Of course, syempre, ito na po yung ating ginawang sauce, ang ating pizza sauce. And we have onion, sliced cheese, quick melt po yan mga kaibigan. Then we have pineapple seeds, we have pepperoni, black olive, sliced fresh tomato, sliced button mushroom, green and red bell pepper. Ayan mga kaibigan ang ating mga toppings para sa ating pizza. And we have 2 remaining ingredients na part ng ating crust. Kaya ko pinasabi kanina na this is a combination of Italian and Filipino style. Kasi po ang ating crust ay lalagyan po natin ng oregano, leaves, and our very own malunggay. Ito yan mga kaibigan ng ating oregano leaves, then ang ating malunggay. Kasama po natin siya sa dough na gagawin natin. Okay, this portion is brought to you by North Seasoning, Del Monte Tomato Sauce, Gold Medal all-purpose flour, RC Cola, and of course, syempre, ang ating El Pedro Grill. Yeah. Sponsor ng El Pedro Grill. And of course, may lapang sa Ayan, this episode mga kaibigan is we're going to give a big credit to El Pedro Grill for the celebration of their 3rd year anniversary. Ayan mga friend, happy anniversary sa ating lahat. And of course, sa ating mga bosses from there in China. Ayan. And if you're watching Ma'am Lizelle and Ma'am Lali, I'd like to dedicate this episode for both of you. Congratulations and happy anniversary. Okay, this is the procedure of our craft. All you need to do is to get some mixing bowl and mix all the ingredients. And don't forget our malunggay and our oregano. We needed to chop it thinly para talaga namang mag-merge siya dun sa ating flour. Ayan, ipapakita ko sa inyo mga kaibigan how it could be. So, ayan, pagsasamahin natin lahat ng yan. Magic na lang natin to make it the story short. Taran! Okay, ito na po mga kaibigan yung ating dough. Yan, dahil pinagsama-sama lang natin lahat ng ingredients and pinabloom na rin po natin siya for almost 5 minutes. Yan mga kaibigan. Kumbaga, nag-double volume po siya. Ayan mga kaibigan, we'll start na po natin para mag-roll para sa ating pizza. Kukunin natin syempre yung ating gagamitin. Kasi na po yung ating prepared dough, kung makikita nyo, nandun na po yung mga malunggay at saka yung ating oregano. our very own. At saka talagang napaka nutritious nito because of the malunggay. And syempre yung oregano naman, aside from the mint flavor, native mint flavor nito, eh, syempre, nakakapag-eliminate siya ng ating mga sipon-sipon. Diba? Kaya very healthy. Then we're going to put it some dry flour para hindi siya mag-stick. Then start na natin siyang masahin. Ayan, kung wala po kayong rolling pin, pwede kayong gumamit ng mga empty bottle, lagyan nyo ng water para meron po siyang weight, di ba? Para yung bigat, eh, makatulong para ma-press natin maigi yung ating pizza. Or maybe you can use this garapon. Ayan, yung press lang natin siya like that, i-roll natin. Yan, nakita nyo yung mga herbs, yung ating malunggay, and of course, yung oregano. Oregano is isang herb also, di ba? Nakadikit na siya sa ating crust. Kaya very healthy. Okay, careful. Roll natin para magpantay. Okay mga kaibigan, and ready na po natin siyang ilagay sa ating prepared pan. Okay, this is our made dough na ginawa natin crust. And we're going to bake this for almost 5 minutes. 5 minutes po mga kaibigan. Para mas madali siyang malito, i-preheat na natin yung oven natin for 250 Fahrenheit. Then, i-bake natin siya for almost 5 minutes. Okay, here we go. Ilalagay na natin siya for almost 5 minutes. Yan, okay mga kaibigan, nagawa na natin ng crust. We'll proceed now naman para sa ating sauce. We're running out of time, kaya i-discuss ko na lang po how to make the sauce. Magsusipay po kayo ng garlic, ng onion, and then ng bell pepper, and then ibubuhos nyo lang po yung ating tomato paste, tomato sauce, and ito combine natin yung ating basil crush, and then of course seasoning, then salt and pepper and sugar to taste. And then pag napagsama-sama niyo mga kaibigan, simmer until it's boil, and hanggang sa maluto na at mag-stick na yung ating sauce. Okay mga kaibigan, if you want to catch this recipe, all you need to do is catch me on my Facebook, bangatemadonna.yahoo.com.ph, and i-search na lang po din yung Cooking ng Inamon show. Ayan, so mapapanood niyo po almost lahat ng ating mga episodes this past few days and weeks and months na talaga naman pong mga kakaibang dishes na matututunan niyo. And you can try, and at the same time, you can serve this to your own family. And of course, sa mga friends and loved ones. Okay, pwede na natin kunin ang ating crust. Okay na po siya. Careful, mainit. Ayan, we're ready now for toppings. Yan, this is one of the best parts for making pizza, yung pag-dress ng ating pizza. Okay, yung napapansin yung mga kaibigan, may mga butas siya. Pinasukan natin siya ng fork para maluto yung loob. Ayan, kumbaga naka-pre-cook po yung ating pizza. Ayan, we're start now to pour the sauce. Yung ating prepare na sauce. Ayan, ilagay natin sa center. Ayan. Then, syempre, scatter natin. Lalagyan natin siya ng margin para may pang-handle naman yung kakain ng ating pizza. This recipe, you can serve this pwede snack, for midnight snack, or pwede rin for dinner na siya lang mismo. And napakasarap niya po i-combine together with soft drinks, syempre, no other than, and of course, yung mga wine, or for beer, pwede rin po. Okay, lalagay na po natin ang ating mga napiling toppings, syempre. Let's start with the onion. Ikalat lang po natin. Then our sliced tomato. Yan, ating sliced tomato. Okay. Then syempre yung half ng ating cheese ilalagay natin para to hold dun sa ating mga nilagay na toppings. Bukod pa po yung ilalagay natin sa top ng ating pizza. So, hahatiin natin yung prepare natin cheese. Yeah. Okay. Then, ang ating sliced mushroom. Sarap. Italian dating. At syempre, kaya siya naging Filipino style din dahil sa ating balunggay. Diba? Then, of course, ang ating pepperoni. Yan. Then, huwag kayo minsan mangamba kung minsan talagang mahal yung mga ingredients. Pero naman mga alternative. Or, syempre, because ang ating mga loved ones, ang ating family is very special to us. Syempre, bibigyan natin sila ng once in a while, pleasure naman, diba? Ayan, then we're going to put now the pineapple. Wow, very fruity. Ang ating pineapple. Then, of course, our red and green bell pepper. Nai-speechless ako dahil sa ang cute-cute ng ating pizza. Yan. Very colorful. Very colorful talaga. Ayan. And then, of course, syempre, we're going to put now the cheese. Okay? Lalagyan na natin ang ating cheese. Ang ating remaining cheese. And this recipe is property of cooking ng Ilamusyo, o diba? Malayo pa rin siya sa procedure and flavor ng El Pedro Grills. Celebrate lang natin siya, kaya gumawa tayo ng pizza. Kasi syempre, doon tayo nag-work. So, ayun mga kaibigan, it's almost done. And we're ready now to bake this. Ayan, for almost, 3 minutes, it's enough. Kasi parang i-melt na lang natin yung cheese and para maluto yung mga ibang ingredients. Diba? Ayan, mga kaibigan. Ayan, so sobrang excited, nakalimutan ng olive. diba? Kaloka. Yan. Yung ating black onyx na talaga namang nagpapaganda yung image ng ating pizza. Okay, balik ulit tayo. Kaloka. Pero po, i-wait na po natin siya for almost 3 minutes. Is enough. 3 to 4 minutes. Kasi naka-pre-cook na po yung ating crab. Okay mga kaibigan, our pizza is already done. Lutuin na po natin. Ayan. Wow! Diba? Napaka-yummy. Ayan mga kaibigan, this is our finished product. Ang ating napakasarap na pizza. Wow! Diba? Yummy! Ayan mga kaibigan, there you have it. Our super supreme pizza. O diba? Napaka-yummy niya. Napakasarap talaga. Grabe.